Hidden in the shadows of the forest lives one of Earth's most extraordinary mammals. The pangolin moves through the night, guided by scent and instinct. Each year, a single pangolin can consume over 70 million ants and termites, silently protecting forests, farms, and ecosystems, and helping nature stay in balance. It is the world's only scaly mammal, wrapped in natural armor made of keratin, the same material as human fingernails. But this ancient defense cannot protect them from humans. Hunted and trafficked at an alarming scale, pangolins are now the most trafficked mammal on Earth, more than elephants and rhinos combined. Yet hope remains. Across the world, conservation efforts are growing, laws are strengthening, and awareness is spreading. Learn, share, protect, because awareness is their armor.